I'm Roseline Cristanelli. I am a residential real estate broker. I am a SCORE volunteer. I originally became a SCORE mentee, and because I started my own businesses and I didn't know where to go, and I was brand new to being a business owner, so anyone like me should reach out to SCORE. I decided to become a SCORE volunteer because I believe in a small business bringing tremendous value to our society. And the SCORE volunteers are a group of people that share the same belief. And I love working with these people. Being a solo entrepreneur, I'm usually working by myself, but being part of the SCORE community, I feel like I'm going to office every day. I would recommend SCORE to all the business owners who need assistance in every aspect of owning and running your own business.